Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix driver cannot load on this device ene.sys error. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So first things first, you will going to check for any updates. So from here just search for the settings. Once you go on the settings right here, you're going to check for update and security. Then once you go to update and security in the Windows update, going to show you right here. Then there's going to be the button that shows you for optional updates. Then from here going to see if there's any updates, you can click on it and then make sure to download and install. If that doesn't work still, then click on X. Then once you do that, you're going to restart your computer and then you're going to search for core isolation. Click on that and then from here you're going to turn off the memory integrity. Once you turn it off, then it's going to ask you to restart the system to apply the changes. So make sure to restart your computer and hopefully that should have solved the problem. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.